Hey there viewers! Welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. If you're trying to lose weight and nothing else is working, that's when you should turn to a miraculous new drink called Zobo. Interesting name, right? Wait until you hear about all the good things it does to your body. So let's find out. The miraculous Zobo drink, name and origin. A moment of silence for all those whose hearts have been crushed by the numbers shown on the weighing scale. Despite all the efforts done, we all would go far and beyond to lose a few pounds, and the weight loss journey would introduce you to things you might have never even heard of. Zobo Drink is one of them. The name is a little funny to take it seriously, but the health benefits of this drink are probably way more than what we know yet. Zobo Drink originated from Africa, most popularly used and produced in Nigeria. The bright red colored drink is prepared from dried Roselle leaves, or Hibiscus Sabdariffa. The funny name of the drink is because in Nigeria, the locals call hibiscus Zoborodo, therefore the name Zobo Drink. However, the drink has a lot of other names, such as the Caribbean people call it Sorrell. In Sudan, it is known as Karkade, and it is called Aguas Frescas by the Mexican. Have you ever tried Zobo Drink? Share your experience in the comment section. Zobo Drink benefits for weight loss. Zobo Drink over time has gained popularity for being a super effective weight loss drink. The slightly sour drink is proven to speed up metabolism and burn body fat. This drink is perfect for slimming down the waistline. Zobo Drink can be consumed at any time of the day. A glass of Zobo Drink helps especially when you're feeling hungry, as it reduces the appetite. Below are some of the top benefits of Zobo Drink for weight loss. 1. The ultimate diuretic. The diuretic ability is one way the Zobo Drink speeds the weight loss process. It helps the body get rid of the excess fluid, therefore there's less bloating. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. This drink is loaded with antioxidants that help protect you from free radicals, boost metabolism, and strengthen the immune system. The antioxidants are also needed to prevent terminal illnesses such as cancer. 3. High fiber content. One glass of this magical drink is enough to fulfill the fiber requirements of the day, as the drink is made from all the natural high-fiber ingredients such as Rosella. Its overall fiber content is naturally higher, which boosts digestion and improves bowel movements, thus speeding up the process of weight loss. 4. Increases metabolism. Consuming a glass of Zobo Drink daily can drastically improve your metabolism and make the fat-burning process a lot easier and fast-paced. This drink is a powerhouse of healthy nutrients, such as carotene and iron, to help boost metabolism. Zobo Drink helps maintain the microflora in the intestines, which aids in digestion and better absorption of nutrients from the food. 5. It makes you feel fuller. We've all been through it, and no one will deny that one of the challenges with weight loss is feeling hungry now and then. Zobo Drink solves this problem too. It helps you remain fuller for longer so that you can go without eating anything unhealthy. By having a little appetite for food, you will eat a lot less and help yourself lose weight. How to prepare Zobo Drink? Zobo Drink is not prepared using just hibiscus leaves, but other ingredients are also added that make it tasty and fantastic for weight loss. The ingredients we're sharing today will be enough to make 3 to 4 liters of Zobo Drink. The total preparation time of this drink is no more than 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1. 3 medium-sized cup of dried Zobo hibiscus leaves. 2. 2 to 3 fingers of fresh ginger. 3. 1 tablespoon of cloves. 4. Sweetener, honey, sugar optional. 5. 1 large pineapple. 6. 4 liters of water. Preparation of Zobo Drink. Step 1. For preparing the drink, start by peeling the pineapple. Make sure that the pineapple is washed thoroughly. Both the inner and the outer parts of the pineapple can be used for added flavor, but use the skin only if you're sure the skin was washed properly and is free of any dirt. Dice the pineapple and keep it aside for later use. Step 2. Take 3 medium-sized cups of dried hibiscus leaves and wash them thoroughly with cold water. Washing the dried leaves is an essential step because the leaves often catch a lot of dust during the drying process. Once the leaves are thoroughly washed, take a big-sized pot. Put in the washed Zobo leaves and 4 liters of water and turn on the burner. Step 3. Now add the ginger pieces, finely chopped diced pineapple, and 1 tablespoon of cloves in the pot and leave it to boil for about half an hour. After the ingredients are boiled, turn off the stove and let the drink cool for a while. Strain the ingredients and keep the extract aside in the jug. The ingredients can be reused 2 to 3 times with only adding extra water. Do not use the ingredients anymore after the red color of the hibiscus leaves are gone. Step 4. As the drink is supposed to be a healthy weight loss drink, we wouldn't advise using sweetener or sugar in the drink. However, healthy alternatives such as honey and sugarcane juice can be used in moderation to add more flavors. Refrigerate the drink and serve chilled. So if you're looking for easy ways to lose some weight, try having Zobo Drink every time you feel hungry. It is incredible in taste and will cut your meals by a reasonable amount. Watch this playlist if you want to speed up your weight loss journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos on how to lose weight fast.